Ready to see some kitchen gadgets that'll actually blow your mind? These viral Amazon finds aren't just fun to look at, they seriously change the way you cook, clean, and organize. From clever tools to genius space savers, every one of these gadgets earns its spot on your counter. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Say goodbye to rummaging through drawers for the right measuring cup. This clever 4-in-1 cube gives you all the measurements you need in one smart design. You can easily adjust it for both wet and dry ingredients, and the scraper-style base makes sure nothing gets wasted. The clear markings keep your portions precise, and it's super easy to clean. Compact, practical, and made for everyday cooking ease. This espresso machine is where racing heritage meets coffee perfection. Designed in the iconic Porsche style, it brings the precision and power of performance engineering right to your kitchen. Every shot is crafted with advanced brewing technology that ensures rich, consistent flavor. Limited to just 911 units, it's a true collector's piece. For those who love coffee as much as they love design, this one's a dream come true. Say goodbye to messy wraps and falling fillings. This tortilla sealer locks in your favorite ingredients, turning any tortilla into a perfectly sealed pocket in seconds. Just fill, fold, and crimp. No fuss, no spills. You can heat it in an oven, air fryer, or pan for that golden crunch, or enjoy it cold on the go. It's BPA-free, dishwasher safe, and built for quick, easy, and delicious meals. Your drinks deserve their own VIP spot, and this mini beverage fridge delivers. Compact yet spacious, it can hold up to 68 cans with adjustable shelves for any bottle shape. The digital control panel lets you fine-tune the chill between 40 degrees and 61 degrees Fahrenheit for that perfect sip every time. A quiet compressor keeps things cool without the noise, while the tinted glass door and blue LED light add a sleek touch to any space. If slicing homemade bread feels like a battle, this clever hand crank slicer makes it effortless. You can adjust the thickness to get perfect slices every time, from rustic sourdough to soft sandwich loaves. The sharp serrated blade glides cleanly through without crushing your bread. Strong suction cups keep it steady while you work, and the smooth wooden frame adds a classic touch to your counter. Simple, sturdy, and built to last. Washing sharp knives doesn't have to be risky. This clever cutlery brush wraps around both sides of the blade, cleaning it safely in one smooth motion. The firm bristles scrub away grease and food bits fast, while the non-slip grip keeps your hands steady and protected. Compact, easy to rinse, and designed for daily use, it turns a tricky chore into a quick, safe cleanup. Perfect dough every time, no guesswork needed. This adjustable rolling pin comes with removable rings that let you control the thickness of your dough down to the millimeter. Whether you're rolling cookies, pizza, or pasta, it keeps everything even and consistent. The smooth stainless steel surface won't stick or tear your dough, and it's dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Simple, durable, and made for precision baking. Ice making just got a serious upgrade. This smart tray lets you release ice cubes with a single press. No twisting, banging, or spilling. The cubes drop neatly into the included bin, ready for your next drink. Made from durable, BPA-free material, it won't crack or absorb freezer odors. The clear lid keeps things clean, and the silicone handle makes it easy to carry from freezer to table. Chill made simple. Meet the slicer that makes prep work faster, safer, and way more fun. This smart mandolin keeps your hands completely away from the blades while letting you switch between slicing, dicing, and julienne cuts in seconds. Just push the handle and watch it create perfect, even slices every time. It folds down for easy storage, cleans up fast, and is built tough with stainless steel blades. Safe slicing made simple. Finally, a smart way to store leftover pizza without wasting fridge space. This collapsible container expands to fit your slices and seals tightly to keep them fresh and crispy. It even comes with microwavable trays that double as plates. No mess, no soggy slices. Made from durable, food-safe silicone, it's reusable, dishwasher-safe, and keeps your fridge neat while preserving that perfect next-day pizza taste. Boiling eggs just got foolproof. This color-changing egg timer takes the guesswork out of breakfast by showing you exactly when your eggs are soft, medium, or hard-boiled. Just drop it in the pot with your eggs and watch as it changes color to match the perfect doneness. Made from food-safe resin, it's totally safe to use and easy to read underwater. Simple, clever, and surprisingly fun to watch. Garlic prep doesn't have to be a sticky, smelly chore. This smart garlic press crushes cloves without even peeling them. Just load, press, and you're done. The round grill holes create fine, even mincing perfect for sauces, soups, and roasted dishes. It's crafted from rust-proof stainless steel and has a detachable handle for easy cleaning. You can rinse it under water or toss it straight in the dishwasher. Snack time just got cuter. These magnetic fries clips look like a box of golden fries, but work like little freshness savers for your snacks. Use them to seal chip bags, coffee packs, or any opened package to keep things crisp and organized. The magnetic holder sticks right to your fridge for easy access, and the durable plastic design means they'll last. Fun, functional, and totally fridge-worthy. Cracking eggs just got cleaner and smarter. This handheld eggshell opener makes it easy to open raw eggs without the mess or broken shells. Just place the egg inside, press the clamp, and it cracks perfectly every time. It even separates the egg for you, ideal for baking or cooking. Made from durable, food-safe plastic, it's easy to clean and safe to toss in the dishwasher. Ready to shred like a BBQ pro? These meat claws turn pulled pork, chicken, or brisket into perfectly shredded goodness in seconds. The sharp, durable tips tear through meat easily while keeping your hands safe from the heat. Their ergonomic design gives you a solid grip for total control. And when the feast is over, just pop them in the dishwasher for a quick, easy cleanup. If you love hot pot or KBBQ, this manual frozen meat slicer is a total game changer. It lets you cut thin, even slices of beef, lamb, or chicken straight from the freezer. No more wrestling with a dull knife. The sturdy stainless steel frame and razor-sharp blade glide smoothly for perfect results every time. You can adjust the thickness, save money on pre-sliced meat, and clean it easily after use. Love dumplings but hate the tedious folding? This automatic dumpling press does all the work for you. Just add your wrapper and filling, press a button, and it seals perfect dumplings in seconds. Each one comes out neat, even, and ready to cook. It's simple enough for beginners, yet fast enough for pros. Lightweight, compact, and easy to clean. Your dumpling nights just got effortless. Turn every fruit platter into art with this clever Melon baller set. It's a 4-in-1 tool that scoops, cores, and slices fruits effortlessly, perfect for watermelon, kiwi, or even soft veggies. The stainless steel heads glide smoothly, while the fun mini cutters let you shape fruit into stars, hearts, and more. Durable, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. It makes prepping fruit both quick and creative. Imagine melting and spraying real butter with just one press. This electric butter sprayer turns a full stick into a smooth, even mist, perfect for popcorn, pancakes, or buttery toast. Just load, heat, and spray for quick, mess-free cooking. The precision nozzle gives perfect coverage without wasting a drop. It charges fast, stores neatly in the fridge, and makes everything taste a little more delicious. Turn dessert making into a fun family moment with this instant rolled ice cream maker. Just freeze the pan, pour in your mix, and watch it transform into creamy, rollable ice cream right before your eyes. It's perfect for kids and adults to get creative, add fruits, nuts, or chocolate chips for your own custom treat. Easy to use, easy to clean, and endlessly fun for everyone. No more oily mess all over your stove. This clever splatter guard keeps your kitchen spotless while letting you cook freely. It forms a flexible wall around your pan, stopping oil from escaping, but still letting steam out, so your food sears perfectly without soggy spots. Heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and super easy to store. It's a small tool that makes a big difference in everyday cooking. Bring the joy of fresh donuts right into your kitchen with this electric donut maker. It bakes 6 perfectly golden donuts at once with double-sided heating for even results every time. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and the simple timer and temperature controls let you customize your batch. Whether for a cafe or a cozy weekend treat, it's a fun, easy way to make everyone smile. Transform plain water into sparkling perfection with this sleek countertop soda maker. Its modern matte finish instantly elevates any kitchen, while the manual carbonation lets you control just how bubbly you like it. From light fizz to full sparkle, you can make refreshing drinks in seconds. Compact, stylish, and easy to use, it's your new favorite way to stay hydrated with a little extra flair. Bring the joy of fresh waffle cones right into your kitchen with this heavy-duty double waffle cone maker. Designed for serious performance, it heats evenly and bakes crisp, golden cones in minutes. Whether you're prepping for a party or running a dessert setup, this machine delivers consistency and efficiency. It's built tough, easy to use, and perfect for anyone who loves that homemade ice cream shop feel. These clever little clip-on bowl holders make serving sauces and dips so much easier. Just snap them onto the edge of any plate and instantly have space for salsa, ketchup, or guac without cluttering your table. They're colorful, compact, and dishwasher safe, perfect for parties, picnics, or even everyday meals. It's one of those tiny kitchen finds that makes a surprisingly big difference. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.